Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. In this video, we're going to share the Law of Correspondence, how to manifest your desires. There's an ancient law in the universe that states that everything in it is connected. This is known as the Law of Correspondence. Everything in the universe, from the largest star to the smallest atom, corresponds to something else. This means that there's a hidden meaning and order to everything we see and experience. The Law of Correspondence can be used to understand our lives better. We can use it to find out what our purpose in life is and what lessons we need to learn. It can also help us connect with others on a deeper level and understand why they do the things they do. The Law of Correspondence isn't always easy to understand, but with time and practice, we can start to see the hidden beauty and wisdom in the world around us. The Law of Correspondence is the universal law that states that your life is a direct reflection of your thoughts and attitudes. In other words, what you put out into the universe is what you get back. This is why it's so important to focus on creating the life that you want. If you want to attract more love, joy, abundance in your life, you need to radiate those qualities yourself. The good news is that anyone can choose to change their thoughts and attitudes. If you want to create a life of abundance, joy, and love, it starts with changing your thoughts and beliefs to match that desired outcome. The universe always mirrors back to us what we put out. So if you want to see change in our lives, it starts with us. When we start aligning our thoughts and actions with our desired outcome, we begin to attract like-minded people and experiences into our lives. So if you want to create the life of your dreams, it begins with having the right thoughts and beliefs. One of the steps is to become aware of your thoughts and see how they impact your life. Are your thoughts positive or negative? Do they reflect what you really want, or are they based on fear? Once you become conscious of your thoughts, you can start to change them. It's important to remember that we attract what we are. So if you want to create a better life for ourselves, we need to start by changing our thoughts and attitudes. We need to become more positive and optimistic and see the world through a lens of possibilities instead of impossibility. When we do this, the Law of Correspondence will begin to work in our favor, bringing us all the good things that we desire. The law is often summarized as like attracts like. In other words, what you believe is what you create. If you want to attract positive experiences, you need to believe that good things will happen to you. Now, on the other hand, if you believe that life is hard and that you'll never achieve your goals, then that's what probably will happen. Your outer life will mirror your inner life. There is a direct correspondence between the experiences of your thoughts and attitudes. And if you want to experience success and happiness in your life, it's essential to first cultivate these things in your life. This can be done through practice, such as meditation, visualization, and affirmations. When you focus on creating a positive inner state, you would inevitably attract positive circumstances and relationships into your life. Conversely, if you allow negative thoughts and emotions to rule your inner world, you will attract negativity into your life. So if you're not happy with your current situation, know that you have the power to change it. All it takes is a shift in perspective. When you start thinking and acting like the person you want to be, your life begins to reflect that change. It really is that simple. But it's also not always easy. It takes practice, patience, and perseverance. However, the effort is well worth it because when you align your actions with your desires, anything becomes possible. So start practicing today and see how your life begins to change for the better. The power of thought, and how do you use it to manifest your desires? Thoughts are powerful things. They have the ability to shape our lives and our destinies. Our thoughts create our reality. If we want to manifest our desires, we need to focus on positive, empowering thoughts. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we want to attract good things into our lives, we need to focus on being positive and on creating the life that we want. Our beliefs are incredibly powerful. They shape our thoughts and our actions. If we believe that we can create the life that we want, then we will take the necessary steps to make it happen. You have the power to create the life that you want. Focus on positive thoughts and believe in yourself. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Start manifesting your desires today and watch your life change for the better. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. In fact, our entire lives are a direct reflection of our thoughts and attitudes. If we want to create the life that we want, it's important to focus on positive thoughts and feeling. We attract what we are. If we believe that we are worthy and deserving of success, then we create conditions in our lives that reflect that belief. On the other hand, if we believe that we are unlucky or unworthy, then we will create conditions in our lives that reflect those beliefs as well. The power of thought is an incredible thing. By harnessing the power of our thoughts, we have the ability to create the life that we want. All it takes is a bit of practice and self-awareness. With time and effort, anyone can learn to manifest their desires through the power of thought. It is a well-known fact that our thoughts and attitudes directly influence our lives. The popular saying, like attracts like, is based on this principle. We attract into our lives whatever we think about most often. If we dwell on negative thoughts, we create a life full of negativity. On the other hand, if we focus on positive thoughts, we create a life that is positive and fulfilling. This is not to say that bad things will never happen to us. Everyone experiences difficulties and setbacks at times. However, by maintaining a positive attitude, we can ensure that these difficulties are only temporarily speed bumps on the road to success. In short, what you believe is what you create. So if you want to manifest your desires, start by focusing your thoughts on what you want to achieve. Create the life that you want by believing that it is possible, and it will be. Thoughts is a powerful tool. It can be used to create the life that you want or to manifest your desires. If you believe in something strongly enough, you can make it a reality. Your thoughts and attitudes create your reality. What you focus on expands. When you think about what you want and put positive energy into it, you will start to see results. But it's not just about thinking about what you want. It's also important to let go of any negative thoughts or beliefs that are holding you back. It's important to stay positive and focus on what you want in order to attract the things that make you happy. Believe in yourself and your abilities to create the life of your dreams. There are many theories about the power of thought and how to use it to manifest your desires. Some people believe that positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, while others believe that you must take action in order to achieve your goals. The truth is, both theories are correct. Positive thoughts create a positive vibration, which in turn attracts similar energies and outcome. However, you must also take action if you want to see real results. The universe will not hand you your dreams on a silver platter. You have to work for them. But don't worry, the work is well worth it. When you align your thoughts with your desires and put in the extra effort required to achieve them, you open up yourself to unlimited possibilities. So start thinking big. Dream big. Then go out and make those dreams a reality. The power of thought is real, and it can help us manifest our desires if we use it correctly. Changing negative thoughts into positive ones. Your thoughts and attitudes directly affect your life. Like attracts like. So if you want to create a positive, fulfilling life, you need to focus on positive thoughts and attitudes. What you believe is what you create. So if you want to create a life full of abundance and joy, start by changing your negative thoughts into positive ones. Believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and trust that the universe will support you in your endeavors. When you focus on positive thoughts and belief, you open up yourself to endless opportunities. So start changing your negative thoughts into positive ones today and see how your life transforms as a result. The old adage, like attracts like, is certainly true when it comes to our thoughts and attitudes, and our lives are a direct reflection of the way we think. So if you want to create positive change, we need to start with our thoughts. Every thought that we have is an energy that goes out into the universe, and it will come back to us in the form of experiences and circumstances. So if you want to attract more positive things into your life, we need to start thinking more positive thoughts. It sounds simple enough, but it's not always easy to do. Negative thoughts are often habitual, and so it takes so much effort to break the pattern. Negative thoughts are often habitual, so it'll take a lot of effort to break the pattern. But it is possible, and every small step in the right direction will make a big difference. Remember, you create the reality through your thoughts, so make sure they're serving you well. Every thought we have creates an energy flow within and around us. This energy attracts its likeness. So if you're thinking about what you don't want, that's what you'll bring into your life. Let me say it again. So if you're thinking about what you don't want, that's what you will bring into your life. Conversely, if your thoughts are focused on what you do want, that's the kind of thing you will attract into your life. That's because like attracts like. Simply put, whatever form of energy you put out, there will it come back to you. Let's say it again. Whatever form of energy you put out, there it will come back to you. So if what you're attracting is not the kind of thing you want in your life, it's important to change your focus. Thankfully, it's not as difficult as it may seem at first glance. Every time you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, simply turn it around and replace it with a positive one. Let me say that again. Every time you catch yourself thinking a negative thought, simply turn it around and replace it with a positive one. For example, instead of thinking, I can't do this, tell yourself, I can do it. Over time, these positive affirmations will become automatic, and your life will begin to reflect your new thought and attitudes. Remember, change your thoughts, change your life. It's really that simple. Changing negative thoughts into positive ones can be a challenge, but it's definitely worth the effort. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. You attract what you are, and what you believe is what you create. So if you want to live a positive life, start thinking positively. It may take some time and practice to get used to, but eventually it will become second nature. And the best part is that it will impact not just your own life, but also the lives of those around you. You heard all these sayings before, but do you really know what they mean? It's time to find out. Your life is a direct reflection of your thoughts and attitudes. If you're unhappy, it's because you're focusing on the negative aspects of your life. And on the other hand, if you're happy, it's because you're thinking positive thoughts. Like attracts like. So if you want to attract good things into your life, you need to focus on the good. What you believe is what you create. If you think that something is impossible, then that's exactly what will happen. Now again, if you believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve your goals, then anything is possible. You are the only one who can create the life that you want. No one else can do it for you. Let me say it again. You are the only one who can create the life you want. No one else can do it for you. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. This is a truth that has been proven time and time again. If you want to create a life that is filled with happiness, love, and success, then you need to change the way you think. It can be difficult to make this change at first. After all, we've been thinking negatively for years. But it's definitely possible. And once you start seeing positive results in your life, it will be easier to stick with the new way of thinking. So how do you go by changing your thoughts? Well, it starts with understanding what negative thoughts are and why they occur in the first place. Once you know this information, you can start working on replacing those negative thoughts with positive ones. Another example. If your negative thoughts is, I'm not good enough, then replace it with I am worthy and I am talented. The more positive affirmations you repeat to yourself, the more likely you are to believe them and eventually act on them too. Creating a positive mindset. Your life is a direct reflection of your thoughts and attitudes. If you want to attract positive experience, you need to start by creating a positive mindset. This means staying focused on what you want rather than what you don't want. It means breaking beliefs that anything is possible and knowing that you have the power to create the life that you want. Remember, like attracts like. So if you want to experience more happiness, love, and success in your life, start by creating a mindset that is focused on those things. When you do, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Your mind is a powerful tool that can either work for you or against you. If you choose to focus on negative, you will attract more negative circumstances into your life. However, if you choose to focus on the positive, you will open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Creating a positive mindset is not about ignoring the bad things in life, but rather about choosing to focus your attention on the good. When you do this, you begin to attract more positive people and experiences into your life. In turn, these positive influences will help you to create the life that you really want. Remember, what you believe is what you create. So choose wisely what you spend your time thinking about. It all starts with a positive mindset. Our thoughts and attitudes directly affect the quality of our lives. If you want to create positive change, we need to start by changing our mindset. Every thought is a seed that will grow and bear fruit in our lives. So if you want to create the life that we want, we need to plant the seeds of positivity. It all starts with our mindset. It is often said that your life is a direct reflection of your thoughts and attitude. As people who have positive mindsets tend to attract more positive things into their lives, while those with negative attitudes tend to suffer more setbacks and difficulties. This is why it's so important to be mindful of the thoughts you allow into your head. If you want to create a life that you're proud of, then you need to start by filling your mind with positive thoughts and beliefs. Imagine what your life could be like if you believed that you were capable of anything. The good news is that creating a positive mindset is within your control. You could start by surrounding yourself with things that inspire you, such as books, movies, or artwork that promote happiness and peace. You could also choose to associate yourself with people who have positive attitudes and are supportive of your dreams. Most importantly, don't be afraid to dream big. Remember that what you believe is what you create. So if you believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve great things, then nothing can stop you from achieving them. Don't forget affirmations. Repeating positive affirmations can help plant the seeds for change in your subconscious mind. Start with something like, I'm worthy, I am capable, and then gradually increase the difficulty of the affirmations as you feel ready. Be sure to keep the affirmation statements aligned with who you want to be, not who society says you should be. Creating a positive mindset is essential to creating the life you want. If you believe you are capable and deserving of great things, then the universe will conspire to help make your dreams come true. Let me say it again. If you're filled with self-doubt and negativity, then it is difficulty to achieve anything of significance. Changing your mindset is possible, and it takes a lot of effort. When you focus on developing a positive attitude and thinking about what makes you happy and grateful in life, then the universe will be there to help. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.